Chalo, let's start. So close your eyes. Seat yourself comfortably. Shoulders relaxed. Hands in Chin Mudra on your knees. Now center your attention on your heart. Now we'll start with the Om chanting. Inhale. Om. 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 Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bharaktu सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति 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 तत्सत् ॐ नमः शिवाय चलिए settle yourself down for the breathing practices. Back straight, chest is open and your shoulders are rolled back. Relax your head and now exhale completely all the air out of your lungs. Then as you inhale, stretch up your spine and maintaining the stretch, exhale. Again, inhale, fully expand your lungs. Exhale. One more time, deeply inhale. Exhale completely. First round Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply and begin. Hunt, 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 Exhale. Inhale, back straight. Exhale. Deeply inhale. Exhale. Once again, fully inhale. Exhale completely for the retention. Inhale deeply, hold your breath. Next 40 seconds. Keeping the attention either on the heart or on your third eye. Wonderful. Now gently exhale. Inhale, fill your lungs. Exhale. Deeply inhale. Check your posture. Exhale. One more time. Fully inhale. Exhale completely. Now for Anulom Vilom Pranayam, left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Back will remain straight, chest will remain open. Feel the little curve in the lower back. Now maintaining this position of the spine, Exhale completely, push all the air out. And now block your right nostril with the right thumb. Through left, inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Right exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Left exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Block the nostrils, hold the breath. Right exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Left exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 and hold. Right exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, 7, Om 8. Deeply inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Left exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Close the nostrils. Right exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Make sure your right shoulder is relaxed. Release the tension from the right shoulder. Left exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Right exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, 7, Om 8. Inhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Last retention. Left exhale 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Now gently drop your right hand. Keep the back straight and stay still for a few more moments. Observe the silence in the mind. Now gently open your eyes, stretch the legs, shake your legs, and then stand up. Position yourself for sun salutations. Feet together, legs together. Stand on the top of your mat. Focusing more on the balancing postures. Join the knees, join your big toes, ankles. Open the chest. Inhale. Exhale, hands into prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up and gently arch the back. Exhale, maintain the stretch, forward and down. Inhale, stretch your right leg back, drop the right knee, open your chest. Retain, take the other leg back, push-up posture, head to heels, one straight line. Now slowly drop the knees down, chest between your hands and chin or forehead on the mat. Inhale, slide forward, hips down and chest up. Exhale, curl your toes in, hips up, go to mountain pose, head down. Now inhale, bring your right leg forward, drop it between the hands. Exhale, other foot forward, join your feet, pull the forehead towards the knees. Now inhale, stretch your arms forward, start going up and arch the back. Exhale, relax. Nice. Now left side, inhale, exhale, join your hands. Inhale, 2, stretch your arms and arch. Exhale, 3, bend all the way down. Inhale, 4, take your left leg back, far away. Retain, 5, take the other leg back. Exhale, 6, knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, 7, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, 8, hips up, heels down, inverted V. Inhale, bring your left leg forward, right knee on the mat. Exhale, other leg forward, join your feet. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and come up, arch the back and relax. Second round. Inhale, exhale, hands into prayer posture. Inhale, 2, up and arch. Exhale, 3, bend down. Inhale, 4, right leg back. Retain, 5, other leg back. Exhale, 6, knees, chest, forehead or chin down. Inhale, 7, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, 8, hips up, mountain pose. Inhale, 9, right foot forward, look up again. Exhale, 10, other foot forward, feet together. Inhale, 11, stretch up, arch the back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, left. Retain, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale, right foot forward. Inhale, stretch up and arch the back. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, right. Retain, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, right. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Inhale, left. Retain, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, left forward. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, right forward, 10, 11, relax, left side, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, left leg back, right, down, up, hips up, left foot forward, right foot forward, stretch up, arch the back, relax, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, right leg forward, 10, 11, relax, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, left leg forward, right leg forward. Now stretch the arms up, arch the back and relax completely. Legs apart, eyes closed. Relax your arms, shoulders, head. Watch the heartbeat. And stay in appreciation and gratitude to your heart. Open your eyes, join the legs, lift your arms up, upward stretch, find one focal point, raise the heels up, balance yourself, and now start going down on the count of 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the hips down, lie down. शवासन में आ जाइए. Roll your head side to side. And relax for few deep breaths. Oh. Legs together, feet together. Inhale deeply. Now stretch your whole body. Legs, arms, spine, fully stretched. Exhale, relax. Come into the position for leg raises. Arms beside the body. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, down. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Okay. You can look at the screen. Your right leg is up at 90. Bring it to 45. Then inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. You are not holding your leg. See, half boat posture with one leg. Now with the left foot, few inches above the mat. So one is at 45, other at 30. Arms straight, parallel to each other. Hold it here. Breathe. Few breaths. Look at one point. Balance on the hips, toes in. Keep the legs straight. Breathe. Now gently drop the head down, chest down. Bring the left leg down. Bend your right knee. Hug it close to the chest. And exhale, head up, chest up. Now you stretch the back of the neck by pointing the nose towards the bent knee. दूसरा leg straight करिए. Push the other knee into the mat. Yes. Drop the head down. Right leg up and bring it down. Roll your head if you are feeling stress in the neck. And then get ready with your left side. Same posture. Inhale, left leg up. 45 degrees पे लाइए left leg. Exhale, head up, chest up. Your fingers pointing to the ankle. Now right foot few inches above the mat and stay. So you won't be able to concentrate on the breathing. So just concentrate at one point somewhere on the ceiling. Stay. Wonderful. Now drop your head down, chest down, and right leg down. Bend the left knee. Hug your leg tightly. Exhale, head up, chest up. Shoulders relaxed. Make sure no tension in the shoulders or minimal tension in the shoulders. Relax the head. Left leg up. And come down. Very good. Roll the head once again. जब भी आप बोट करते हैं नेक में स्ट्रेस आता है. चलिए now double leg raises position. Get ready. 5 rounds up and down full. Inhale, both legs up 90 degrees. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Stay on the ground. Maintain your position. Now legs move करेंगे 45 और 30 degrees के बीच में. So get ready. If you want to give the support to your back, slide the arms under the body. Bring your legs to 45 degrees. 45. अनु थोड़ा और नीचे. ये तो 90. हाँ यहाँ पे. Halfway is 45. Full up is 90. Bring the legs to 30 degrees. Very good. Once again to 45. And 30. थोड़ा fast करेंगे. Up. And 30. Up. And 30. Up and 30. 45 and 30. 45 and 30. Faster. 45 and 30. 2 more. 45 and 30. Last one. 45 and 30. Now stay. Once again, exhale. Head up, chest up. Low boat. Final few seconds. लो बोट है. सो लीन और लीन करो बैक. यस, वेरी गुड. हाई बोट में हिप्स पर वेट होता है बट यहाँ पे वेट नहीं. यहाँ पे टोटल कोर वर्कआउट है ये पूरा. स्टे स्टे स्टे. अप 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 अप. एंड एक्सेल. रिलैक्स कंप्लीटली. रिलीज. Roll your head side to side once again. So during inversion, during your leg raising, especially the double leg raises, neck joint को आप move करोगे. So at the same time, the stress will be released. Take few breaths before starting the postures, actual postures. Home. Legs together, feet together. Inhale deeply, stretch your arms, give full body stretch every time you are doing it and relax. Turn around, child pose में आ जाइए. Rest for few seconds. Forehead down, knees apart if you want, or you can keep the knees closer depending upon how your breath is. Breathe, make the breath deeper. Visualize yourself in headstand. Look at yourself, at your face, at your legs. See yourself into the full pose. And now inhale, head up, chest up. Chaliye, getting ready for Shirshasana. Or dolphin, whichever way you are comfortable for next 2 to 3 minutes. Very nice शिल्पी. Dolphin एकदम बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. And time for headstand now starts. पल्लवी एक बार आप स्क्रीन की तरफ देखो शिल्पी को. डॉल्फिन देखो हाउ शी इज डूइंग डॉल्फिन. बिकॉज डॉल्फिन में हिप्स आर ऑलवेज पॉइंटिंग अप, चाहे आप फॉरवर्ड जाइए चाहे बैकवर्ड जाइए. ठीक है, हिप्स फ्लैट नहीं करेंगे, पैरेलल टू द ग्राउंड नहीं लाएंगे. हाँ, थोड़ा सा फीट और फॉरवर्ड वॉक करो, 1-2 स्टेप्स. अब करो. यस. Now those who are in headstands, separate your legs. Can you separate the legs? Very good. Wide apart. Shabash. Keep on widening. थोड़ा सा और. Now legs together. Wonderful. Keep your left leg up. Try bringing the right leg down as low as you can. धीरे धीरे balance बनाते हुए. No need to touch the floor. It's okay. Inhale up. Legs together. Now right leg will stay up. Try bringing your left leg down as low as you are comfortable. Inhale, both legs together. Now both legs at parallel to the floor. It's okay. And gently come down. Relax. Shavasana में आ जाइए. Child pose first, and then after few breaths in child pose, in Shavasana. Relax 2-3 breaths. And now make yourself ready for Sarvang Asana. Legs together, feet together. Arms beside the body, touch your elbows to your ribs. Inhale, legs up, hips up. Now support your lower back and come up. Shoulder stand. Very nice. Stay in the straight posture. Feel your position. Using the hands, push the navel towards the face. Yes, adjustment. Nice, Anu. Very good. Legs straight. Engage the hips. Breathe. Now we'll do some more additional balancing. You can release the support with your one arm. Bring it flat on the mat. Left hand का support maintain करिए. Right hand arm down. Stay there. Back support दीजिए फिर से. Now release your left arm on the mat and stay. Very good. Once again back with both hands. Now आप दोनों arms को release करेंगे. So bringing the legs little more down towards the head and then release the support with both the arms. कोशिश करो. शाबाश. Very good and stay. Now पूरा core strength use होगा यहाँ पे. Keep the stomach, your hips tight. Stay little bit longer. If you can, interlock the fingers behind the back. Can you do that? Very nice. Yes, few more seconds. 9, 6. Once again, support your back. Straight up kariye legs. And now get ready for Halasana. So inhale, exhale, start going down slowly, gently in the flow posture. And breathe. Very good. Yes, शिल्पी. जब तक feet touch ना करें फ्लोर, सपोर्ट देके रखना है बैक को. लेग्स और अपार्ट करो. आप ला सकते हो. 1 इंच रह गया बस. Yes. Stay for few breaths. Very nice. Now using your arms and hands as brakes, come out of the posture. Arms flat on the mat. हाँ, अब आप धीरे धीरे नीचे आइए. शाबाश. Keep the head on the mat. Slowly, spine down. Very nice. Yes, Dimple. धीरे धीरे. पेट को टाइट रखते हुए. Come down. Relax in Shavasana. Very good. Roll your head now. Slowly turn your head towards right and stay there. And then towards left, stay. And back to the center. 2 more breaths. Now bend your knees. Half wheel or full wheel. Accordingly take the position. Full wheel कर रहे हैं तो feet थोड़ा distance रखो. Hip width distance between the feet. Hip width distance between your knees. Heels close to hips. And now when you feel ready, come up into the full wheel posture. Very nice. Now hold it. Breathe. चलो थोड़ा सा और एडिशन करते हैं बैलेंसिंग में. Try lifting your right leg up. Down. Left leg up. And down. Now right arm up to the ceiling. Yes, very good. Back to the original position. एक बार और बस. Left arm up. Exhale down. And now slowly come out of the posture and relax. Wonderful. Hug your legs. बहुत बढ़िया. Exhale, head up, chest up. Nose close to the knees or towards the knees. Exhale, drop the head down. Bring your legs up and come down. Relax in Shavasana, 3 to 4 breaths. Om. Legs together. Counter posture to Sarvangasana is Matsyasana. Slide your arms under the body. Hide your elbows. So make sure if you are wearing any watch, तो आपके हैंड में, रिस्ट में पेन नहीं होना चाहिए. उस हिसाब से एडजस्टमेंट करो, नहीं तो वॉच को उतार दो. चलिए, गेट रेडी. इनहेल, हेड अप, चेस्ट अप. Look at your toes. Start arching the back and touch the top of your head to the mat. Now, upper body is fully active. Lower body may be at rest. Breathe. Push the chest more up. Turn your head more in. Now lift both the legs up as high as you can. Very good. देखो और आ जा सकते हैं ऊपर डिम्पल. Yes, शाबाश. 10 seconds. Keep the head down. थोड़ा हेड पे प्रेशर आएगा. 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs down. Now release the posture. Head up, chest up, and relax. So all 3 exercises जो इस postures के बाद होती हैं. Shake your arms, rotate your wrists, and head roll करिए. 2 times right, 2 times left. धीरे धीरे. Back to the center and relax in Shavasana. Oh. Legs together, feet together. Inhale, stretch. Stretch the arms. Stretch the legs. Touch the lower back to the mat. And exhale. Relax. Sit up for the seated forward bend. Take the position for Paschimottanasana. Your legs are together, toes are turned in. Back is straight, arms are straight. So hands beside the hips. Now take your arms and hands behind the back. Interlock. Chin up. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly start going forward and down. Go as low as you can. Start breathing. Very nice. Push the chest out. Chest बाहर निकालिए. Chin stretch forward. Breathing पे फोकस लाओ. Whenever you exhale, थोड़ा सा आगे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. शाबाश. Few more breaths. And now inhale, slowly come up, release. Now the proper posture, stretch both the arms up. Exhale, forward and down. Rest your hands on your feet and relax. Relax the neck, head, shoulders. Breathe. Oh. Stretch your arms forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, hands behind the hips. Counter stretching. Purvottanasana. Toes towards the mat. Drop the head back. Now, once you feel ready, inhale, lift your hips. Legs straight, drop the head back. Look at the wall or whatever is there behind the back. Maintain your position, lift your right leg up. Stay for 10 seconds. Exhale, right leg down. Now left leg up. Head down, head को नीचे रखिए पीछे की तरफ. Exhale, relax. And now all the way, release the posture. Shake your arms, do the wrist rotation. मकर आसन में आ जाइए. Crocodile pose. Overlap your hands. Rest one side of the face on your hands. Om. Forehead in the center and hands under your shoulders. Legs apart. Upward facing dog में जाएंगे. First backward bend ये है. Second होगा cat. So first for upward facing dog, inhale, head up, chest up. Straighten your elbows and come up fully. Hold your pose. Pallavi और थोड़ा push the hands down. Straighten your arms. Yes, lift the chin. Now making sure that shoulders are not touching your ears. So shoulders will remain away from the ears. Accordingly, adjust yourself. Very nice, Shilpi. और थोड़ा power use कीजिए. Your arms, push yourself back. Notice the stretching. Lower abdomen, lower back. And now gently lift your hips. Cat में आइए. Adjust either the hands position or your knees position. Wonderful. Now arch the back. Second backward bend लेते हैं. Arch your back. Navel pointing to the mat. Chin goes to the ceiling. Simple arch. Entire core is engaged here. पूरा power और strength वहीं पे डाल दो. As if you are trying to touch the navel to the floor. Now maintain the arching. Stretch your right leg back, lift up. Okay. Straight करो, straight. Yes. Now left hand को mat में push कीजिए. Right, diagonally आपको limbs lift करने हैं. Yes. And stay. Find your point of focus. And balance on two limbs. Very nice. Now stretch your left arm out. Take it behind the back. Bend your right knee. Catch hold of your big toe. This is the twist. Balancing, twisting, arching. Keep looking at your point. Pull the foot up to the sky. Yes. And now gently release the posture. अब rounding करेंगे. So round your back. Suck the navel in, chin close to chest and stay. Release. Once again, you are arching the back. Other side now. First few seconds in balancing, then into twisting. So left leg back, up, right arm up, and stay. You need your point throughout whatever we are doing in this pose. Arm up, leg up. Shabash, balance. Now like your wing, Arm out behind the back, bend the knee, catch hold of your ankle or the toe. Observe the stretch in your back. Pull the foot up to the sky, higher. Exhale, release. Now go to child pose and rest there. So knees apart kar lijiye. You have to breathe now in this posture to relax yourself. Hold the arms around the legs. Relax your shoulders. Now stretch your arms over the head. Come into inverted V. Hold the simple forward bend. Now lift your right leg up. Lift it higher. इसी पोजीशन में स्क्रीन की तरफ देखो. Your leg is up. Now bring it forward. Other knee in the high lunge position. Back straight. Hands behind the back. Interlock. Inhale. Exhale. Forehead or head close to the floor. Hold it for a few seconds. Very good. Stay little bit longer. और थोड़ा हेड डाउन लाएंगे. डिम्पल शाबाश, आप कर सकते हो. हेड हेड हेड, टॉप ऑफ द हेड, टॉप ऑफ द हेड. ये like this. Very nice. Now gently come up, take the support and go back. Get ready with your other leg. Inhale, left leg up, lift it higher, stay for a few seconds. Now bring the foot forward. Other side, moving into forward bend, back straight karo, arms and hands behind the back. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, forward and down towards the left foot. Breathe. Or just balance. Release your arms, take the support, and then slowly come back to inverted V. Now walk back with your hands towards your feet. यहाँ twist लेंगे. So hold the right ankle with your left hand. Right arm up. Feet apart रखो. Feet apart ही रखो. जिस position में थे उसी position में रखो. Standing twist. मैं spotlight करती हूँ ताकि आप breathe. अब हेड जैसे हैंग हो रहा है, हेड को थोड़ा कंट्रोल में लाओ, थोड़ा लिफ्ट करो हेड. यस. एक्सेल, कम डाउन. साइड चेंज करेंगे. लेफ्ट आर्म गोज अप. राइट हैंड ऑन द लेफ्ट एंकल और फुट. हेड की पोजीशन वंस अगेन इन कंट्रोल और थोड़ा लिफ्टेड रखेंगे. पल्लवी दूसरी साइड करो. अच्छा है, ओके. थोड़ा हेड लिफ्ट करो आप. Exhale, come down, stay down, keep the arms relaxed. Relax the trunk. And now slowly, gently come up. चलिए arch करेंगे. So separate your feet, support your back and give an arch to the back. Back bending, forward किया है ना तो back bend. And relax. Wonderful. Release. चलिए now feet apart, right foot out and left foot in. कभी भी साइड बेंड जब आप करते हो, देखो आप ऐसे खड़े हो, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कैसे. एक तो मैट का पीछे वाला एज, ठीक है, एंड ऑन वन कॉर्नर यहाँ पे। नाउ कवर हाफ से ज्यादा मैट कवर करो, ठीक है। ये आइडियल डिस्टेंस है जो आपको बैलेंस भी देगा और पोस्चर भी अच्छा लेगा। चलिए, नाउ बेंड योर राइट नी, arms in line with the shoulder, look at your right hand. This is warrior 2. Hold it, because warrior 2 में we need more gap between the feet. यहां से हमें रिवर्स वॉरियर में जाना है। लेफ्ट हैंड डाउन, राइट क्लोज टू द ईयर, रिवर्स वॉरियर। वेट, stay and hold the posture. Keep the front knee bent. रिवर्स वॉरियर में हो ना, हाँ, शाबाश। स्टे, राइट आर्म और स्ट्रेच करो। नाउ मेक द लेग स्ट्रेट, ट्राइंगल में मूव करिए टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड। राइट हैंड डाउन, लेफ्ट आर्म अप, दिस इज ट्राइंगल रोज वाला। होल्डिंग, नाउ बोथ लेग्स आर स्ट्रेट। Breathe. Inhale up and relax. Now यहीं से left foot out, right foot in. 3 postures in the same position. Now bend the left knee, look at your left hand with your arms in line with the shoulders. Very good. Feel the pressure on the left knee. Now go to reverse warrior. Right hand down, left arm up. Hold it as long as you can. Very good. Grip. सोल से, टोज से ग्रिप लेके रखिए मैट पर। 5 more. Now make the leg straight and then come out of the posture. Now lean sideways towards left. Triangle on the left side. Breathe. Inhale, come up and relax. Release the posture, feet together. Jump your feet together. Very good. Stand on the top of your mat. Close your eyes. Feet comfortably apart. Relaxed position में stand करिए. Relax the shoulders, head, face. Mentally scan your body. What changes can you observe? Now open your eyes. Get ready to move down. Stretch your arms forward. Feet together. Keep the feet flat on the mat. Going down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart. Now feet की थोड़ा stretching करेंगे legs की. So turn your toes in towards the knees. In. Stretch the toes out. Push the knees down. Stretch your feet and relax. Rotate the ankle 2 times clockwise and then counterclock. Now shake your legs. Final position of the legs. Okay, bring your attention on your hands. Make tight fist. बहुत tight. Now spread the fingers fully. Stretch the palms. and release. Relax. Final position of the arms. Adjust yourself. Now touch your lower back completely to the mat. Suck your stomach. Legs को lift नहीं करना है. Just push the stomach into the floor. Chin towards the chest. Stretch. Relax. And gently roll your head towards right, left, and center. Inhale, squeeze your face tight, lemony, wrinkled face. Relax. Open the mouth, stretch your tongue. Eyes wide. And relax. Now, final position, adjust yourself if you need to. No movement for next 3 minutes. So relax completely into the final pose, Shavasana. Stay on the mat like a non-living thing. Like something kept on the mat. Sink the body down into the floor. Feel the body melting down into the floor. Relax. Relax. Oh. Wake up your body parts. Now slowly start moving your legs. Bring them together. Inhale, gently take your arms over the head and stretch yourself nicely. Stretch. And relax with a huge smile on the face. Turn towards right side. Keeping this smile throughout the day on your face. Gently sit up. Eyes are closed. And इसी तरह से मुस्कुराते हुए let's say thank you to the universe. Send the happy and grateful vibrations to the entire planet. Now we'll conclude the class. Inhale. Om. 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 Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Salutations and gratitude to the Gurus. Om Bolo Swami Sivanand Maharaj ki Jai. Swami Vishnu Devanand Maharaj ki Jai. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you so much for joining the session.